Ever stared at your Rocket Money app, waiting and waiting and waiting, wondering if it's ever going to catch up with your actual bank balance? You're not alone. We've all been there. That weird limbo where you're trying to budget, trying to get a handle on your finances, but the numbers just don't seem to line up. You've swiped your card, paid a bill, maybe even got a refund, and yet, Rocket Money seems to be living in its own little time bubble. Let's face it, in today's hyperconnected world, we expect instant gratification. We want our information, and we want it now. We want to see our transactions reflected in real time. So, when an app that's supposed to be helping us manage our finances lags behind, it's understandably frustrating. You start questioning, is it me? Is it my bank? Is it Rocket Money? Or is it just the universe conspiring against my budget? Think about it. You're trying to be responsible. You're trying to make smart financial decisions. You're trying to track your spending and save some money. You've downloaded Rocket Money, believing it's going to be your financial superhero, swooping in and saving the day. But then, you're left staring at a screen, wondering if the numbers you're seeing are even accurate. This isn't just about impatience. It's about trust. When you're relying on an app to give you a clear picture of your finances, you need to know that the information is up to date. If there's a delay, you might end up overspending, missing a payment, or making a financial decision based on inaccurate data. That's not just inconvenient, it's potentially damaging. So, the burning question remains, how long does it actually take for Rocket Money to update? And, more importantly, why the delay? Let's break it down. First, it's crucial to understand that Rocket Money doesn't directly hold your money. It's an aggregator. It pulls information from your linked bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. This means the speed of updates isn't entirely in Rocket Money's control. It's dependent on the speed and reliability of your bank systems. Typically, Rocket Money aims to update your accounts once or twice a day. However, this can vary significantly depending on several factors. One major factor is your bank. Some banks update their data more frequently than others. Some banks have robust APIs that allow for seamless data transfer, while others are slower and less reliable. If you're using a smaller credit union or a bank with older technology, you're more likely to experience delays. Another factor is the complexity of your account. If you have a lot of transactions, it may take longer for Rocket Money to process and update them. Similarly, if you have multiple accounts linked, the app has to gather data from various sources, which can also slow things down. Then there's the issue of transaction posting. When you make a purchase, it doesn't immediately appear in your account. There's a period called pending transactions, where the transaction is authorized but not yet finalized. Rocket Money usually only pulls posted transactions, not pending ones. So, if you're looking for a recent purchase that's still pending, you won't see it in the app. And let's not forget about technical glitches. Like any software, Rocket Money can experience technical issues that affect its ability to update accounts. These glitches can be caused by server problems, software bugs, or even unexpected changes in bank APIs. So, what can you do about it? First, understand that some delay is normal. Don't expect real-time updates. Check your bank statements directly to confirm recent transactions if you have concerns. Second, be patient. Rocket Money typically updates your accounts within 24 hours. If you haven't seen an update after that time, there might be a problem. Third, check your bank connections. Ensure that your bank accounts are properly linked and that your login credentials are correct. Sometimes, banks change their security protocols, requiring you to re-authenticate your account. Fourth, consider the time of day. Banks often process updates overnight. So, if you're checking your accounts in the morning, you're more likely to see the latest information. Fifth, if you're still experiencing delays, contact Rocket Money support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and determine if there's a problem with your account or with the app itself. Sixth, understand the difference between pending and posted transactions. Pending transactions will not reflect in Rocket Money. Seventh, if you are using a bank that is known to update slowly, consider budgeting with a slight buffer for yourself. Eighth, if you are using a bank with known API issues, consider contacting your bank to see if they are addressing the issue. Ninth, check for any updates to the Rocket Money app itself. Sometimes, updates include performance improvements and bug fixes that can improve update speed. 10th, understand that Rocket Money is a tool. It is not a replacement for your own financial management. Use it as a guide, but always double-check your bank statements and keep track of your spending manually. Now, let's address some common misconceptions. Some people believe that Rocket Money deliberately delays updates to make it seem like they're spending less. This is simply not true. Rocket Money's business model relies on providing accurate and reliable financial information. Deliberately delaying updates would damage their reputation and lose them customers. Another misconception is that Rocket Money can instantly access your bank data. While they use secure APIs to connect to your accounts, the speed of data transfer depends on the bank systems. Finally, some people believe that Rocket Money is responsible for any discrepancies in their account balances. This is also not true. Rocket Money simply pulls data from your bank. If there's an error in your bank account, you need to contact your bank directly. In conclusion, the time it takes for Rocket Money to update depends on a variety of factors, including your bank, the complexity of your account, and technical issues. While some delay is normal, if you're experiencing significant delays, it's important to troubleshoot the issue and contact support if necessary. Remember, Rocket Money is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances. But it's not a magic bullet. It requires patience, understanding, and a bit of troubleshooting. By understanding how the app works and what factors can affect update speed, you can get the most out of it and make smarter financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.